Hi, this is John, and in this clip we'll be cutting out our feet. I'm going to make my first cut on the radial arm saw, and I'm just going to line up my board and make my cut at the correct length. Next, I've set my table saw to 5 1/4 inches. After that, I'm going to use the bandsaw to cut out all of my curved pieces. And lastly, I'm just going to smooth up my edges on the spindle sander. Next, we're going to use our first foot as a template, and we're going to trace around it and use those markings to cut our second piece.